Hey friends, if you wish to morph one shape into another in PowerPoint, then please watch this video. So first of all, we will go to insert. We will create a shape. Okay. So we have shapes here. I can pick any shape. Let's say this shape. And then I will create it here. Okay. Now, if I click anywhere outside it, it won't show the shape format tab. But if I click on the shape, it will show the shape format tab. Click on edit shape, change shape, and then you can select a different, let's say, shape here. Okay, now I've selected triangle and I can just adjust it a little. Okay, now go to the transitions tab, select both of them and click on morph. Okay, this is how you're morphing it. When you click on F5, it will morph the shape. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.